Control flow statements in JavaScript are used to dictate the execution order of code based on certain conditions or loops. The if statement executes block if a condition is true. The following shows the syntax of the if statement. The condition can be a value or an expression. Typically, the condition evaluates to a Boolean value, which is true or false. If the condition evaluates to true, the if statement executes the statement. Otherwise, the if statement passes the control to the next statement after it. The following flowchart illustrates how the if statement works. If the condition evaluates to a non-Boolean value, JavaScript implicitly converts its result to a Boolean value by calling the Boolean function. If you have more than one statement to execute, you need to wrap them in a block using a pair of curly braces as follows. The following example uses the if statement to check if the age is equal to or greater than 18. How it works. First, declare and initialize the variable age to 18. Second, check if the age is greater or equal to 18 using the if statement. Because the expression age greater than or equal to 18 is true, the code inside the if statement executes that outputs a message to the console. Since the expression leads to a true answer, the console will print out you are eligible to vote. The following example also uses the if statement. However, the age is 16, which causes the condition to be evaluated to false. Therefore, you won't see any message in the output. Next is on nested if statements. It's possible to use an if statement inside another if statement. For example, first, declare and initialize the age and region variables. Second, check if the region is region 1 using an if statement. If yes, check if the age is greater than 16 using a nested if statement and output a message to the console. So the if statement here only evaluates if the voter is from region 1 and the age is 18 and above. If all these conditions are true, then it will print out the console. In practice, you should avoid using nested if statements as much as possible. For example, you can use the and operator to combine the conditions and use an if statement as follows. Remember, the and operator in JavaScript returns true only if both conditions it connects are true. If either of the conditions evaluates to false, the overall expression returns false. This logical and operator is commonly used in conditional statements and expressions to combine multiple conditions and make decisions based on their collective truth value. In summary, use the JavaScript if statement to execute a statement if a condition is true. Avoid using nested if statement as much as possible.